Which handcuffs are the strongest? Level 1.
Paper handcuffs.
Ugh, man, those are weak.
Level 2.
Foam handcuffs.
Give me a real challenge.
We got more where those came from.
Level 3.
Cardboard handcuffs.
Man, there's no way he's getting through the last ones.
Level 4.
Aluminum handcuffs. Yo, he's struggling.
Oh, I'm the world's strongest man. Nothing can stop me.
Level 5.
The world's strongest tape.
Come on. Let's go.
Level 6.
Real police grade handcuffs.
This is gonna be impossible.
Just like it's impossible to like and subscribe at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Oh, no way, bro. It's bending.